There are differentiated lesson plans for children from nursery through to year 6 to take part in activities such as circle time, story writing, storyboards.
The activity we were doing is about a boy called Sam who gets bullied in school because of the colour hair he has, the shaped ears he has, the teeth he has, and he's really depressed and sad, and he really doesn't want to get bullied anymore.
The children are able to discuss with their friends and their teachers what bullying actually is and how we can tackle bullying within our schools, and then support children not just in our schools but throughout the whole of Wales. The lessons that have been produced are linked to the National Literacy and Numeracy strategy, which will enable the pupils to look at a number of the LNF outcomes. It's also linked to well-being. All of our children need to know that they're safe. All of our children need to know who they can turn to, and they need to know if they are being bullied, how it can be resolved.
If you don't talk about it, it can get worse and it could start going to hitting and fighting.
If you talk about bullying, if somebody is going through bullying, they understand that you know what bullying is, so you can help them.
That's helped our school a lot, I think.
It makes you feel safe because you can talk to anyone about it, anyone of the teachers, anyone of your friends, about what's happening if you're getting bullied.